figured I'd show you guys the before and after, or how the lights are gonna be. But I'll also drive it at night and so you guys can see. So that's how the lights look like. Very yellowish, yellow. So I'm changing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 light bulbs, 2 high, 2 low, and the fog light. So let's see how it goes. But yeah, that's how it looks. I just want the truck to be updated a little bit. So first and foremost, what you want to do obviously is pop the hood, and then you just get on business, right? The good thing about this truck, especially the V6 4Runner, now I'll show about the V8, there's way so much space in here to work on. You can actually put a turbo in here though, right? So, but yeah, it's very easy though. So up here you got your, I believe this is your low beam right here, and that's your high beam. So passenger side is going to be very easy to replace. What you want to do is actually cast a, I don't know if you guys see the light bulb. What you want to do is go counterclockwise, twist it that way. See, counterclockwise. That mine was a little bit tough, and then you pull it out. So I'm holding one hand with the camera though, that's why it seems hard though. But yeah, it's not the hardest thing. You see, it's out already though. So same process. I'm not going to show you for the rest of them because the same process. What you want to do is grab the light bulb here, twist it towards that way or your left, counterclockwise, and then you pull it. You don't have to go all the way left. Just as soon as it gets loose, you just pull it out. That's it. So guys, I guess I'll just show you the finished product. If anything, I'll show you how to replace the fog lights. Driver's side, it's a little bit more tricky. There's not that much space because of the battery. But if you're not holding other things like I'm doing right now with one hand, you can actually take it off without moving the battery. Now if you're going to remove the battery though, what you want to do is take the negative, take the positive out, put the battery out, and then you have enough space to actually work on it though. So I'm not going to put the battery though. I don't have time for that. I'm just go ahead and do it and, you know, get down with it. One more major step I forgot to mention. Yeah, once you get the light bulb out, what you want to do is press this little plastic down. You press it down, that's going to release the light bulb. So you press it with one finger, and then, or with one hand, and then the other hand should pull the light bulb out in the opposite position. So again, what you want to do is press this plastic thing down that way, then you put it out. So the light bulbs I'm putting are LEDs, but if you're going to pull back the stock OEM light bulbs, never touch the bulb right here. If you do touch it with your fingers though, clean it real good or wear some gloves, because what happens is it makes the bulb go out even faster. Now mine's are not out. I'm just want to update the look of the car though, because I feel like it's outdated, that's all. So these are the new LED light bulbs that I'm getting ready to put in. All you have to do is connect this part up here with this guy up here, that connector. It's very easy. Again, holding one hand doesn't help, but yeah, all you gotta do is just connect those two, and that's it. And then it's pretty much what they say on the box: plug and play. That's it. That's all she wrote. So it's connected, plug and play. So what I'll do is just put the light bulb back into his housing, do it clockwise, and it should be money. Again, I'm using one hand, just showing you how easy it is. So let me see, shouldn't be bad. Hope I got the right stuff. Sometimes Amazon does not send you the right stuff though, so I hope I got the right stuff. She's in. See that? Light bulb is in. That's all I had to do, plug and play. And I think these are gonna be bright because I believe my wife's light bulbs were the same thing though. I think these are gonna be bright though, so can't wait to see the finished product. Now go ahead and do the low beam, I mean the high beam, and same thing. Since you guys are here with me, I might as well just twist it. Well, turn it, not twist it. Turn it kind of clockwise and then pull it out. Just pull it out. So I think this bulbs might be original maybe, or they haven't been moved that much, so sometimes it might want to fight you, but eventually it's going to come out, so just be patient with it. So let me put my phone down, that way I can actually concentrate. All right guys, we got both high beam and low beam bulbs in. The driver side gave me a good fight. That's why again, Amazon at the same time is great. The pricing is good though, but sometimes it may not be a direct fit, because I don't know why the passenger side was easy and this one wasn't easy though. So it was really hard to have this connected really well. It kept getting loose, but now we're in. So go ahead and turn the vehicle on, and see how it looks like just the way it is. You know, the reason why I never want to complete everything at first, you just want to make sure that everything works. So go ahead and turn it on. You don't have to turn it all the way on, but I'm gonna turn it on. That's me. And obviously turn all this stuff on. My hands are dirty now though. Let's see how the new lights look like. Oh man, yep, it's already bright. Look at that, it's bright. Already bright. Problem is I can't turn the high beams on right now because I'll have to put the camera down and then hopefully somebody videotape me though. So the next step will be changing the fog lights. As you see, the contrast between that and the fog lights is huge. Fog lights just yellow. I actually wanted to put yellow fog lights, but I think with this truck I'm gonna just go with brightness. So as you guys know, the Lexus, the fog lights are yellow. So it'll be nice to do that, but yeah, it looks a lot better right now though. So down the road, maybe next year, I'll get some new headlights. There's some updated headlights that I saw online that looks good though, so I'll probably do that next year. For now, I'm just doing the best I can with little things. There's nothing wrong with these trucks, so I don't want to mess with it too much. Yeah, man. So yeah, that's how it is. Very easy to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the fog lights right now. For the fog lights, if you don't want to get dirty, if you're not in a clean surface, you can put your carpet this way though. This is my rear carpet, so I just put it there. And yeah, go ahead and do your thing. So these are the 9000 LED fog light bulbs. Again, I thought of getting the yellow ones, but let's just go with this for now. See how it is. If I don't like them, then I'll go ahead and put yellow. So fog lights are very, very easy. Again, having a truck is cool, because if this was a car, it'll be a lot harder to get to though. But the light bulb is right there, you see it? So this will be the same thing, counterclockwise, pull it out, and that's all you have to do though. That's it. It's all you gotta do. It's very easy. Now if you want to go ahead and remove the cover, that's up to you. But there's this screw up here, this screw up here. It's pretty much a splash guard, and screw back there, then you put the cover. But there's no need for that, because all you have to do is just reach in the way I'm doing right now, counterclockwise, boom. This one was even a lot easier, and there she goes. Then again, you just press this this thing right here, and then you put the light bulb out. If you go to a dealership, they probably charge you a nominal leg, I'm pretty sure. Alright guys, I finally got the fog lights done. Now it's funny though, on the low beams, the driver's side gave me a hard time. This time the fog lights, passenger side gave me a hard time. But let's see how it is. Hopefully everything is good, so turn everything on. See how it is. Woo! Allah, looks good. Man, look at that. Night and day difference, right? See how bright it is? Can't wait to see how it is at night. I'm kinda not sure if I should have gone with the bright ones in the fog lights. Again, I'm so used to the yellow ones. But dude, that looks good though. I like that. Let's go ahead and wrap. So the good thing about this kit, what I just found out, it also comes with the license plate lights, right? So I go ahead and replace the license plate light on the rear, and we're good as far as lighting. I don't need to do anything with the tail lights. Tail lights will always be tail lights. You can always, let's see the tail lights real quick. The tail lights are already LEDs, I believe. Could be wrong, but yeah, I'll just leave the tail lights the way they are. If anything, I'll probably get aftermarket one day. So that's it. Now to replace the license plate lights, you got two Phillips screws that you need to get out. I don't know if I'll be able to do it today. I don't think I have the right Phillips screwdriver though. The one I have might be too big, but I'll go ahead and shoot for it and see if I can replace it. So it's two light bulbs. That's what you need to replace. For the license plate, it was very easy. Now I'm missing one screw though, so I need to order a new one so I can replace it. This is not the cleanest one though. It's been seems like it's had a rough life. Yeah, but what you want to do is once you take the screw out, this comes down, and all you have to do is actually just reach into that light bulb and pull it out, and then replace it with a new one. All right folks, that's how you change the light bulb. So, and the tail light, I mean not the tail light, but the license plate bulbs. So got the low beam, high beam, fog lights, and together with the license plate as well. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know. That's what I did. So for this is the 2 screws that are underneath Philip, 1 2 1 2, and then 1 2. So that's how it is. So if you guys have any questions, just reach out to me, either on my Instagram. It's probably easier to reach me through there though, or just here on the comments below, and let me know if you're struggling with it though. But yeah, it's very easy to do though, and the bobs I bought are actually pretty good though. So yeah, let me know, and catch you guys later though. Thank you, and thanks for watching, guys. Also, we are close to 1,000 subscribers though, so once we get to 1,000 subscribers, like I've said before, that's when I'll update my camera, either use a 360 or use something more better to take videos with though. The iPhone has been great, but you know, that's something that I've always say though, I don't want to get something, a bigger gadget without 1,000 subs. So yeah, thanks so much for all you guys that are watching. I really do appreciate it. And for those asking about the Lexus is still there, holding on it as much as I can. I don't know how long I will hold on it, but we'll see. I hope to keep it, but with the baby coming, we'll see how things go though. So thanks again, guys, and take care. Bye. This is nighttime driving. As you can see, it's very bright. It's extremely bright. I mean, it looks good though. You guys can see the Subaru is still there. But yeah, the lights before were very yellow, so this is perfect. So if you want to buy those lights, like a Save, or from Amazon, maybe I can put a description on what they are and what they called. So yeah, they're pretty good. I love them. They're super bright. I just love it though. I mean, this is a game changer. It looks really good.